Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Manda Amelia Nawawi. Here I will describe the assignment of English as a task for completing the UAS. With a lecture who teach my Miss Devi, it's okay. Public service. Service to the community. He become the objective in carrying out public administration. In Indonesia, the implementation of public service has become an increasingly strategic policy issue because the improvement of public service in this country tend to take place in place. Well, the implication, as you know, are very broad because they touch all public space in economic, social, politic, cultural, and other life. In the economic field, for public service will have implementation for a in inflation which a ratio in line of employed in industry and the absence of new job of two nations which will affect the insert in oblivion. Improvement in public service will be about to improve the investment climate which is needed by this nation to get out of the prolonging economic crisis. Unfortunately, the effort towards improvement are still limited to lip service. In the various studies conduction on public service, it seems that they do not run linearly with the reform carried out in various sectors, so that inversion growth has insight move in negative direction. As a result, the happiness of economic growth that were expected to help this nation get out of Parisian economy hope of economic growth that were expectation to help this nation get off of Paris economy crisis had not yet materializing according to expectation. Meanwhile, in policy life for public service have depth implementation for public trust in the government. In an effort to improve the quality of public service, several activities have been carried out by the government. For example, can be seen in participatory planning activities such and development meeting at the district, provincial, and national level. However, these actions cannot be held in time, so that the interests of the community in the form of need cannot be called quickly by the government. Such a needs the occur suddenly, such as the need for health, clean water can occur at any time. In order for the people need to be immediately anticipated and addressed by the government. The community medium between the government and the community is need. In according with the perspective of the new public service and good government, there are several models of public service that can be used to solve public service problem in Indonesia, including is number one, citizen charter service contact model. This model come from the idea of Osborne and plastic. In this model, there are public service standards that are set based on input from citizen and government official promise to implement and implement them. This model is an effort in public service that position service use as the center of action. Therefore, the needs and inter of service use must be the main concept in the service process. It's number one, two, the know your customer model. This model was developed in the banking world, which can be adapted to context of public service in government organization. The working mechanism in this model is to first and the need interest of customer before deciding on the type of service to be provided. Is number three, model M government. Technology advance in the field of information and communication also affect directly or indirectly the performance of the government body, especially in terms of public service. The context of government using mobile technology is called mobile government. Nowadays, this model can be used easily because the facility of use can be via computer and home work, laptop, notebook, tablet, and cell phones. Golf, Mobile Legend, Mobile Legend government strategy and its implementation involving the utility alliance of the will and Mobile Legend, the technology, service, application, and device of for importing the benefit to the party involved in a government, including citizen, business, and government unit. Government unit. Conclusion: the perspective of new public service and good government is condition the most overrated for the correct condition in overnight public service problem in Indonesia. This was supported by a more democratic political situation and the openness of the government, and for the effective implementation of the perspective, several models can be applied, such as the citizen Karno model, the know your customer model, and the government model. With the aforementioned model, it is hoped that the model and the government model. With the aforementioned model, it is hoped that the obstacles that have hindered the effectiveness of the implementation of public service can be overcome so that the implementation of public service can be ensured in effectivities, even though all the return of public service can be effective. The talk them return the version of implementation of the service, namely government official and also community participant.